In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Printify AI image generator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. The Printify AI image generator is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning images for your merchandise effortlessly. Whether you're designing for t-shirts, mugs, or any other custom products, this tool can help you generate images that not only resonate with your audience, but also stand out in the marketplace. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have an account set up with Printify. If you haven't done that yet, go to the Printify website and sign up. It's completely free, and having an account will allow you to save your designs and access all the features you need. Once your account is ready, log in, and you'll be directed to the Printify dashboard. From here, look for the product section. You typically want to start by selecting the product you'd like to design. This could be anything from casual wear to accessories. Go ahead and choose what you'd like to work on for this tutorial. Let's say a t-shirt for now. Now, when you're in the product editor, you'll see an option for using the AI image generator right in the design section. Click on that, and it will prompt you with a couple of settings to adjust before you start creating your image. The first thing you'll do is enter a keyword or phrase that describes what you'd like the image to portray. Be as specific as possible. The AI works best when it has a clear idea of your vision. As an example, let's say you want to create an image of a vibrant sunset over a mountain range. Type in "vibrant sunset over mountains," and once you're ready, hit the Generate button. The AI will start working its magic, and you'll see a few images created based on your input. Now, take a few moments to peruse the generated images. You might find something that resonates with you right away, or you might prefer a different angle. If you see something you like, you can simply select it, and it will load directly into your design workspace. If none of the images align with your vision, don't worry. You can always tweak your wording or try adding more details. Perhaps you'd like to specify colors, styles, or additional elements in your scene. Go ahead and re-enter your request. Once you have an image you love, it's now time to customize it further. You have the option to adjust the size, position, and add any text or further graphics if you like. Maybe you want to add a catchy phrase over the image or some branding. This is where your creativity can really shine through. After finishing your design, it's always a good idea to preview how it will look on the product. Printify has built-in mockups that allow you to see your design on the t-shirt or any product you're working with. Do remember to check the resolution to ensure that everything looks crisp and professional. If everything looks good, it's time to save your design. Click on the Save button, and you can choose to publish it directly to your store or download the image for later use. It gives you options to integrate with different e-commerce platforms, which can streamline your selling process. Before you wrap up, I have to remind you about the importance of checking the licensing for any images you're using, especially if you're planning to sell them. Always make sure your designs comply with Printify's policies to avoid any potential copyright issues. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively use the Printify AI image generator. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different keywords and styles to truly make your designs unique. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating amazing products. Happy designing!